Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create custom fields in Wrike. Custom fields are a great way to tailor your workspace and capture the data that matters most for your projects. First, open your Wrike project and go to the task table where custom fields are managed. Look for the small plus icon at the top right of the table and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Field to start creating a new field. Next, choose the type of field you need. Options include text, number, or drop-down, depending on the kind of data you want to capture. After selecting the field type, give your field a clear and descriptive name, like estimated hours or budget allocation. Finally, click Create. Your new custom field will now appear in the task table, ready for your team to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom field in Wrike, making your project management more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.